Hi, welcome to Brainmasters teaching videos. Today I'll be teaching on differentiation using chain rule. Okay, here are 6 different questions that I'll be going throughout this video. So before that, you can actually go to the description and download the PDF format of these questions, and you can actually practice it as I go through. Okay, so let us look at the very first question. Okay, the question is y equals to 4x cubed plus 3x squared minus 4x minus 5. Okay, so we need to find the differentiation for this question. So first we have dy dx. Okay, so we always write the dy dx to indicate the differentiated of the differentiation of the equation. So for the format that we always use is that I always keep saying using power. Okay, power bring down and power minus 1. So what do I mean by this? So if you have a 4x cubed, power bring down, you have a 3. So you multiply to your 4x, okay, instead of 3 power 3, the power minus 1, so you become square. Okay, so for doing so, again, for my 3x squared, so plus 2 multiplied to 3x square power is a 2. 2 minus 1 will give me 1, so I will not be writing anything. And same for this, I have my negative 4x. Okay, so power 1. Power 1 bring down is 1. So 1 times 4 will give me 4. And no more x because it's x power 0. So I just need to simplify this question. Okay, this one I'll have 12x squared plus 6x minus 4. So this will be the answer for my dy dx. Okay, now how about you trying the question now? Let's pause the video and you work it out. So next I will be giving you the answer. Okay, first now I'm going to do my differentiation for the second equation, y equals to 5x squared minus 3x plus 3. For this question, I will not be writing down the power bring down. Instead, I will be doing it mentally. So that will be faster in this case for the working. So first I'll have a dy over dx. Okay, so power bring down 2 times 5, that will give me 10, power minus 1. And my minus 3x will give you minus 3. So that's the answer. Because for anything that doesn't have an x, okay, you differentiate them, there will be nothing left. So my solution to this question is 10x minus 3. Alright, now for this question, y equals to 3 over 8, x power negative 4 minus 4x squared plus 3x power negative 1. Okay, now we're going to deal with negative power. So how will it work in this if this is the case? Alright, for this question, actually they can also present to you in this way. Okay, 3 over 8x power 4, the power 4 is at the bottom, minus 4x squared plus 3 over x. This can be the other way they present the answer to you, but it would not be as easy to differentiate in this form. Hence, I will be differentiating it using the original question. Okay, so I changed everything to power negative 4 using the indices that we understand. So I'll be differentiating to the original equation here. So my dy over dx. Okay, so same thing, power is negative 4, I'll bring it down. Multiply to my constant, which is 3 over 8. Okay, x is power negative 4. Hence, I'll have to minus 1 more, so I'll write it out for you. Okay, power minus 1. Okay, and minus power bring down. Multiply to the constant, and my power have the minus 1 and positive, okay, because of the original question, and my negative 1 bring down, multiply to my constant, and x power negative 1, power minus 1. Okay, so this is how it will be. Okay, by doing it this way, it's actually using the same as the original. Okay, so now I just need to simplify. What do I have? Okay, this will give me negative 3 over 2 x power minus 5. Okay, minus 8x minus 3x power negative 2. Okay, so this will be the solution. Okay, if you want to stop here, it's alright, but if some of the question requires you to put it in a positive index, okay, so you just need to use your indices chapter to help you. You can label it this, you can present your answer this way. negative 3 over 2 x power 5 minus 8x minus 3 over x squared. So you can present it in this way or this way, depends on what they ask for. Alright, how about pause this video again and you practice this out, because there's a negative power. Okay, I guess you try that. So let's look at the solution. So I'm not gonna show you the other equation, the other way they can present the equation. I will deal with it with everything as it is. So my dy over dx, so I'm not gonna show you the other way, the multiplication way, so I'm going to do the faster way. So power bring down, so 2 times 4 over 5 is 8 over 5, x power minus 1, plus power bring down power minus 1 and power bring down power minus 1. So this will be the solution. Okay, that's the easier way. If you want it to be faster, you actually, the next line actually is your answer. If you need more time, you will need to write out the power bring down multiplied to the constant and your power minus 1. All the working will need to show. Or if you are learning, yes, I would recommend you to do it that way. So if not, you see, my answer will be that fast. So try to avoid using calculator as you practice so that you can actually train out your fractions multiplication. Alright, let's look at the fifth question now. This is actually slightly different from whatever we have done for the last four. Okay, for this question, okay, the power, if you notice, my power 3 is actually outside the bracket. Okay, in this case, I'm still using the same chain rule, power bring down, power minus 1. Okay, so how it goes. So let's show you. So for my dy dx, my power will bring down, which is a 3. This whole thing can be seen as x. So the whole thing bring down. Okay, and my power is a square minus 1. Okay, so this one is multiplied. And I need to do something extra, which is multiply to the differentiate of the inside, this one here. So if I differentiate this, 2x plus 5, I'll get 2. Okay, so I just need to simplify this. I can have my 2 times 3, give me 6, 2x plus 5. So my 3 minus 1 will give me a 2. Okay, over here, most of the time, we do not need to expand the square. So I can leave this as my answer. Okay, it also depends on your question. If the question requires you to do more, yes, expanding it would be advisable. But if not, for the dy dx, you can leave it in this way. Okay, now this is the last question of this video. Okay, for this question, I have already combined a negative power with the power that's to a longer term, and outside of the bracket there's a simple 5x. Okay, so how do you go about doing this? Because there's a plus here, so we will have to separate them out individually. So this is one term itself. Okay, then this is the one term, this is the second term. So we can do them individually. So there's no complication between the two of them comparing to the other methods. Okay, so for the dy dx, we can do individual. So first one, looking at the first term. Okay, same thing, power bring down. So everything inside the bracket, we will copy it. Okay, so my power minus 1, which is 3 minus 1, multiply to the differentiate of inside. So let's do mentally. So differentiate of the inside, I will have negative 9x power negative 4, okay, minus 14x. Okay, so I will need to simplify this later and differentiate my second term. I will just have a plus 5. Cool. So let's simplify this. Okay, you can actually multiply in your 3 to this bracket. Alright, so if not, you also can leave it in quite a few ways of not expanding it. So let's say I'm not going to expand it, I'll just have them factorize out. I will just leave my answer as negative 3. Okay, 9x power negative 4 plus 14x multiplied to my 3x negative 3 minus 7x square plus 5. This will be my solution. Alright, it's up to you, okay, whether you want to expand this in, which I will not recommend because it might make your numbers inside longer. But please do not do the wrong thing in terms of the square. Do not expand these two in first because of the square. So this will be my final answer for this question. Alright, so you can have you can actually repeat this a few more times. So okay, if you find that you have anything that you missed out, you can watch this video again so that you can practice this a few more times to understand what is the pattern for the chain rule. I do hope the solution helps in your understanding. Do you have any questions? Feel free to email me your questions to brainmasters.education@gmail.com. And if you find my video is helpful for you, do subscribe to my channel. Study hard!